Welcome back guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Event, almetaldryerevent.com. Check out my Periscope, it is great. There's actually one on this house, and I haven't been here since 2017. Well, you guys know we're at the end of 24, so you can see where we're at. Townhomes, 3-story, well, 2-story with a garage, but I don't know if you guys can see from here. You can't. All right, let me get things set up. We'll be back. New machines. Maytags. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, they got my Periscope. Looking great. Looking great. So let's turn it on. Oh, it's a brand new machine. Alright, let's see, time dry. Man, it's breezy. Ooh. I don't know, there's some airflow, but look at this. Look at that. Man, oh man. Now keep in mind, guys, 2017. So, in the 8s, it keeps fluctuating. Y'all know what time it is. Let's get set up. Okay, boys and girls, let's clean out the dryer back. Man. Jeez, dude. Uh-oh. Getting twisted up here. the elbow. Man, oh man, dude. Holy cow, folks. Jeez, man. Guys, I mean, this wind is blowing today, but the good news is it's kind of collecting everything over here for me. So, next I'm gonna get up there and get the rest of that off. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that looks better. Let's do it. Right, now I'm just cleaning these off, guys. They get so weighted down that they don't open and close correctly. While you're watching this, man, hit that like button for me. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I try to put out at least one video a week. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, dude. You never know. But I'm gonna put the good and the bad out there for you guys and let you guys figure it out for yourself. All right. All right, guys, and I'm sorry about the angles, but only so much I can do here. Holy cow. Yeah, I mean, let me see if I can get you guys in there to see. Holy mackerel. So yeah, I'd say it's better. Let me set this back up. And like normal, guys, see the nipples on the end? Hole, hole, hole. Just make a little U and they pop right back into place. Bam, bam. And yeah, I'd say that's going to draw better. Yeah, guys, and I just wanted to come back up here and show you. That's how they should be opening. They should be standing at attention like that, guys. If they're like this, your dryer is not working right. Okay, boys and girls, that's going to wrap this one up. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you made it this far especially, please hit that like button. Please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. It really helps me tremendously, guys. See you on the next one.